Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to custom page border in Microsoft Word. So get started. At first, open your Word document file. In this video, I will show that add custom page border. Now going to the design menu option. Now for click. Then click for the watermark option. Now click with the custom watermark. Then click with the pixel watermark. Now click for the select pixel option. Then click for the from a file. Now open your file is the pixels. Now select from the pixel. Now insert menu option, click. Then from a scale, now click for apply. Now click for OK. That's it. Then show add custom page border in Microsoft Word is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.